Welcome! Today we're going to clear the jam front error on your Brother machine. This video will cover multiple models and operating systems. Even though your machine may not match the model on the screen, the overall process will be the same. Unplug the power cord from the outlet. Remove the paper tray. And paper support. Gently remove any jammed paper with both hands. Pull the green flap towards the front of the machine. Remove any paper scraps. Raise the scanner cover to reveal the platen area. Gently remove any jammed paper with both hands. Remove any paper scraps. Plug the machine back into the outlet. On the touchscreen, press the red X. Unplug the power cord from the outlet. Remove any paper scraps. Close the scanner cover. Turn to the rear of the machine and open the rear cover. Gently remove any jammed paper with both hands. Open the manual feed slot. Push the release lever towards the back of the machine. Gently remove any jammed paper with both hands. Replace the paper support and the paper tray. Plug the machine back into the outlet. For more tutorials, FAQs, and videos, visit us at www.brother-usa.com. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe. Thank you for choosing Brother.